are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, power driver's seat. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.